Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, so if you are in need of a brand new hairstyle, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another color transformation. Wow! The stylist did a gorgeous dimensional peachy color with this one. Beautiful highlights to frame the face. This is absolutely stunning. And then we see someone with grown out blonde hair. So the stylist ended up doing a beautiful lob haircut with some ash blonde coloring. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. So it looks like we have another lob haircut in color for the next one. Ooh, she ended up going blonde. Beautiful. Next up, we have yet another lob haircut. So she also ended up going ash blonde, beautiful dimensional color, face framing highlights, beautiful transformation. So the next style is also going to feature a lob haircut. Gorgeous, and as you guys know, this is a very popular hair length right now. She did end up getting a little bit of an angle, which is very pretty in that lob. Very nice. Here we have more of a textured lob haircut. Loving the beautiful chocolate strands. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with long ginger hair. Well, it looks like she's just gonna slightly get her ends trimmed for this one. Her hair color is so beautiful. And then we see someone else with long waist hair. Looks like she did a mid-length haircut, mid-back length, and getting some color done. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. Then we see someone else with long waist length hair. Nice hand painting technique for the color. This will give a very nice natural appearance. Gorgeous. Her hair has such a beautiful sheen to it as well. Looks like we have another bold blonde for the next transformation. Wow, so she went bright blonde. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful dimensional bob. Beautiful dimensional blonde, mid-length hair. Gorgeous. And then we have someone with darker strands. Looks like she also decided to get more of a dimensional coloring with some blonde. Beautiful. Hair looks so healthy and shiny. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Alright, you guys, I hope that you were able to find some hair inspiration perfect for the spring season within today's video. Let us know which hair transformation was your favorite. Mine was definitely the one that featured the peach color. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and of course, if you want to check out even more hair inspiration, you can see this video next.